Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. Today we discuss about the basics of Excel, like how to concatenate the name with surname in one cell. For this, we have two methods. Like one we will use AND operator, and the second one is the shortcut. And I will tell about this in the end of the video. So first, let's discuss the AND operator. So you can see in the cell A3 it is written John, and the cell B3 it is written Smith. So we have to write here in the cell C3 we have to concatenate this. It means we have to combine this like John Smith. So by AND operator how we can do this? Let's see. Type equal to, then press this and space. See, is very space matters here, because if we large the space, if we give more space, then it will give more space in between of the John and Smith. So use and here and click on B3, hit enter. What it comes? John Smith. Then if we want this result same in the next cell, like A4 and B4, A5 and B5, till the A11 and B11, just scroll this until and see the magic. The second one is we are going to discuss about the shortcut. Just write here John, but you have to very careful about the spelling. If the Smith S is capital, you have to write same. Now John Smith is written here. Now go to the now select till D11 and click and go to the data option. Go to the data option and click here. Click the option flash fill and see the magic. So, that is all for today. Thank you. Keep learning and keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.